Hi, welcome to Legacy Crafted Cabinets here in Mifflinburg, Pennsylvania. I'm Jason Romig, General Manager, and on behalf of our employees, we'd like to thank you for taking the time to learn more about our products and services. Today, we're going to highlight some of the manufacturing processes that separate us from our competition. We're going to walk through the steps that every one of our cabinets takes during the manufacturing process. We're going to begin in the mill where all of the parts are going to be cut to size. Next, we're going to move to sanding in our state-of-the-art finish process. Lastly, we'll end up in the assembly and final inspection area. Let's get started. After each order is processed, construction begins here in our mill, where we fabricate all of our panel material. Panel material is loaded onto a panel saw, then, using job-specific specifications from our engineering department, the material is cut down to size by the operator. The material will then be moved over to our CNC router, where final preparation takes place to turn the panel material into a usable part. The parts are then grouped with the balance of the order and placed on a cart. From here, the material will travel through the rest of the construction process together. After all of the linear material, such as face frames and drawer box parts, are cut and prepped, they are placed onto our face frame jig where they are wood glued and pocket hole screwed together. Once all of the frames for the order are built, they are loaded onto a cart and will travel through the balance of the process on that cart. Next, we send the face frames through our wide belt sander. The wide belt sander will sand each face frame to a uniform thickness and remove any glue squeeze out or inconsistencies in the material. A big part of what makes Legacy Crafted Cabinets unique is that we still hand sand all of our cabinets. While we rely on technology for a large part of our construction process, nothing can match the attention to detail of the human eye. All of the components for every order travel through our finishing operation together as a complete job. We strongly believe that it is important for all the components of the order, from the face frames, panels, doors, drawer fronts, moldings, and any and all accessories, travel through the entire finishing process together, as opposed to being finished by different departments. If you have selected glazing for your order, all of the parts will be unloaded from our main finishing line and be brought over to our glazing department to be glazed by hand. To achieve greater consistency, we have the same individuals glaze each and every cabinet day in and day out. This provides consistency while still preserving a unique hand-applied finish. We use an easel and a target sample or master door for each job to maintain consistency within that order. The glaze components will be reloaded back onto our smaller glaze line to get the final top coat, which provides the last coat of protection before it's ready to go to assembly. Once all of the processes have been completed, the finished material gets unloaded off the finish line and put back onto the cart that it came in on and staged to go out to the final assembly area. At this stage, all of the components that came from the finish line in the mill go to our assembly team. Each cabinet will be assembled by hand down the line and is fitted with any additional parts that may have been ordered. Once each cabinet is complete, it travels through our inspection tunnel for a final QC inspection, and the order will be audited for accuracy. After it passes, the order is released to our shipping department. The shipping department will then package and stage your order to prepare it to be delivered to your home. On behalf of all of our employees, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you again for learning more about Legacy Crafted Cabinets and the products that we proudly manufacture right here in Mifflinburg, Pennsylvania.